In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy model memories from one radio to another for the M17 and M17S from Sanwa, which is the radio that I use. Because for example, if you're getting a new radio and you want to transfer the model memories from your old radio to your new one, it's a lot quicker to do so by utilizing an SD card, saving the model memories onto the SD card, and then moving the SD card from the old radio to the new one. A lot of people don't know how to do this. I'm quickly going to show you how to save a lot of time when switching from an old version, from an old radio to a new one. Keep in mind that model memories from the M17 cannot be transferred to the M17S. It has to be transferred from an S to an S, or from a 17 to an original 17. Nonetheless, it's a really good feature that saves you a lot of time when you change to a new radio, especially because most people have more than one car and a lot of model memories saved on the radio. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. First of all, you need a SD card, and I'm using a micro SD HC card, 4 GB in this case, that you obviously can move between radios, and it inserts here. It allows you to save and transfer model memory. So we're just going to start this up. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to save the model memory onto the card, and then how to upload it into the radio. So go into model, copy. So let's say the current model X45, we're gonna copy not into a spot on the radio. Instead, we're gonna press here SD access, and we're gonna save this. I have already a lot of model memory saved here from when I switched radio last time. I'm gonna save this here to this empty spot, full copy. That's all done, and then we can copy this from the SD card. This one here that I just saved to model memory. In this case, we can just overwrite this one, execute it, and it's simple as that. Saves you a lot of time, quick and easy to do. All you need is an SD card, and this video has a tutorial if you don't know how to do it. Thanks for watching.